everyone. Today we will learn how to cook blintzes with beef according to Odessa Cooking at Home. Yesterday at Odessa Zoo, the cages had no feeding or teasing signs. If there were men in the cages, I would write if you can feed them. Spend, and then this animal is for you for sure. After discharge and citation, something will buy Alexander no postponement, should and that we can eat everything in the world quickly. Everyone gets bored except for fast food and always ends up in the slow funeral procession. I am a human rights activist who likes home cooking, and today with you, my dear subscribers of my YouTube and Instagram feed, we will be reading all tired of vodka and Matusef brand. Get the frying pan. We will cook pancakes. I don't trust foreign ones. Chiburegs, shawarma with cooked poi. We've brought some food I want to eat with you, my darlings. When cooking bellies, I will teach you to eat pancakes. And so, pour heated milk in the container. Instead of sugar, we use syrups of rose hips, about 6 tablespoons and a pinch of salt and a bit of baking soda. $200 grams of vegetable oil for the eggs. The batter must be warm enough to beat them well. If you didn't take them out of your pocket but out of the refrigerator, put them in hot water for 2 minutes and they will come at room temperature. Add 3 eggs, sift the flour through the sieve to give us soft tenderness. If you don't have an immersion blender, I think we will use a whisk. Manage everything with the blender, 10 to 12 spoonfuls of flour. You can also use whole wheat to buckwheat flour, and it's less caloric and more healthy. Let the dough stand for 40 minutes at room temperature to get ready. The flour has given its shell and the dough on the booze and acquires the desired consistency of stuffing pancakes. We take a pork or beef, fill without bone and fillet boiled in it. To spiced onion and carrots, add fried until ready to fry now. All go on the meat grinder and shower our bar with frying pan with that broth that comes to life. Twisted porsche we put on the pan and fry with the addition of spices, not broth. Cockreels with pancakes are still warm on the edges of clay. Let's put a spoonful in the hole, march and wrap it up like an envelope. I love you all. This is my new cooking at the home show. Give me your likes and write your thoughts in the comments below. I really need your support. Click the subscribe button and I'll see you soon.